Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to put a picture in a heart shape in Microsoft Word. Let's begin. First of all, go to Insert, click Heart Shape. Okay, then find Heart Shape, click Shape and find Heart Shape. Okay, then click Heart Shape, hold Shift, click and drag it, or do not hold Shift for free size, free custom size. Okay. Okay, now see this, increase the size, then go to fill, pictures, wait for few seconds, online or offline. I use offline, then select any image or insert. Use shape outline or red, increase the outline size. Okay, now we can see this. Put a picture in a heart shape. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.